So this is your living area. You can have a look at the space, and this is your kitchen area. So you can have a look at the kitchen. With the master bedroom, you can have a look at this space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal. And today we are here at Saupernika Whispering Petals, which is located in Hoskote, East Bangalore, a project developed by Saupernika Projects. And today we are here to check out their model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing on the land parcel, and this is the marketing office on my left hand side, where you'll be getting all the information details and you can check out the model flat as well. And now about the land parcel is just behind me over here where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So the project is spread across 8.3 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers with 2 basement, ground plus 19 floors, having exclusive 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium units, where you'll even get private terrace garden unit on the ground floor. Now coming to the amenities part, and the project will provide you 30 plus world class amenities like of, let's check out. Here's a 85% of open space with 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse on the ground floor. Other amenities like of basketball court, box cricket, garden area, maze garden, kids play area, amphitheater and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located in Hoskote, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road over the side will take you towards KR Puram, and the opposite side road will connect you to STRR. So basically the project will be having 2 connectivity from 2 major roads. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, so you can connect to STRR within 2 minutes from the project. Silicon City Hospital is 5 minutes away. Your school is 15 minutes from the project. KIDBA Aerospace Park is 20 minutes away from the project. You can connect to Kempegoda International Airport in 30 minutes, and even ITPL Whitefield is 30 minutes away from the location. So this is your 1187 square feet of 3 BHK model flat at this project. Let's have a look at it. So once you enter, this will be your spacious and rectangular living and the dining area. So this is your living area. You can have a look at the space and even the interior work which is done for your reference, and which has a connecting balcony as well. So here's your connecting balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and here the provision for the machine is provided. Once you step in, right here you can place your dining table, or else you can use the space in a multi-purpose way. So basically they have provided the kitchen area right in back side of the dining area as well. And this is your kitchen area. So you can have a look at the kitchen with L-shaped platform. You can add up your platform like this with cabinets, the sink, and here's the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now your master bedroom is right in front of me, but before that we'll be checking your bedroom number 1. So the 2 bedrooms are on the one side of the house and 1 bedroom on the other side. So this is your kids' bedroom. You can have a look at the beautiful interior and how the space is managed over here. You can just check out. Here's the wardrobe set just behind me, and the dressing area is over here. You can even add up the bed space right here. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this side is a dressing area where you can even add up your kids' study table. Now moving further towards your bedroom number 2. So once you move out and on the next side, the other side is your bedroom number 2, and you can have a look at the space again with a huge bed space. There's a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and again a cross window for cross ventilation, and this side is the wardrobe set. So once you step out from this bedroom, right over here is your common washroom, which gives a perfect access from your 2 bedrooms. with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now about the master bedroom, which is right behind me. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So once you enter the master bedroom, you can have a look at this space. Here's a huge bed space right here. And the plus point is the sit out area. So right here they have provided the sit out area. You can have a look at the sit out area with anti-skid flooring. And this balcony, that is sit out area, will give you two-side open view with iron railing. And now about the wardrobe, which is right behind me over here. You can even add up your TV unit space and your work table right beside your wardrobe. And now this is your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Hoskote location. Have you checked another project in Hoskote? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, call is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.